You've probably heard the phrase the body of Christ, but what does it really mean? Is it symbolic? Is it spiritual? Today, let's unpack the truth behind this powerful identity and how it changes the way we live. 1. The body of Christ explained. The Bible tells us in 1 Corinthians 12:27, "Now you are the body of Christ, and each one of you is a part of it. Jesus is the head, and we, his followers, are the members. We each have different gifts and roles, but we function as one united body, guided by him." 2. Unity and diversity. In the body of Christ, every part matters. Whether you teach, serve, give, pray, or encourage, you're essential. Just like the eye needs the hand and the foot needs the heart, we need each other to grow and fulfill our purpose together. 3. Living as the body. Being part of the body means more than just belonging. It means showing Christ's love to the world. We are his hands to serve, his feet to go, his heart to love. Together, we reveal Jesus to a hurting world. You're not just a believer, you're a living member of Christ's body. Don't stand on the sidelines. Step into your role, use your gift, and build up the body. Because when we work together, the world sees Jesus more clearly. Subscribe to Walk with Christ to grow stronger in your faith and purpose. Comment below. What part of the body do you feel called to be?